Hey guys, I have another layout update for you. Sorry I haven't done one in a while, just been busy. So, alright, let's see. I kind of forgot what I've done with since the last, what I showed in the last update, but, I think I've added this, grass here, and I fill in lines that, were there before and stuff. And I finished painting all the track so far. Oh, I can't. It's here. I put down a road bed. And I put on some bushes and other stuff. Let's see. Oh. I finished the abandoned rail line. That yellow field will probably eventually be changed. It's kind of like a flower field right now, but I'll probably change that later. Let's see, I finished my mountain. Or it's almost finished. I still would like to put some trees on it eventually, but right now it's finished. And I finished this part over here, really, as far as track laying goes. I have a switch here that goes off to this siding. I built this little thing right here. Oh, sorry, my cat's kind of getting in the way. So, just to give me more room. That's about it for right now. I have some kind of sad news, but I will be stopping the updates for a while because there's some other things I kind of like need to do and stuff that so I don't really have time or anything to work on it. And like in a couple weeks I'm going to Mexico and y'all be busy. I'm gonna be pretty busy and stuff, so I won't be doing it for a while. Maybe I might do something like after my trip, but so don't expect anything for quite a while. So that's my update for right now. Thanks for watching, and leave comments and ask any questions. Thank you.